Hey everyone, today I'm answering all your burning questions about the Perplexity Comet Referral program. If you've been confused about payouts, eligibility, or whether this is even legit, this video will clear everything up. Let's jump right in. First question, and probably the most important one, is this actually real or is it just another scam? Yes, this is 100% legitimate. Perplexity is a US-based AI company that's making serious waves in the tech industry. The referral program is real, and yes, you will actually get paid. A quick reminder before we continue, if you want to start earning right now, just install Comet using the link in the description below and set up your Dub dashboard. Watch my previous video for better understanding. Now, let's move on to other questions. Can you do this on mobile, or does it only work on computers? Comet Browser is currently available only for Windows and Mac computers. You cannot use it on iOS, Android, or Linux systems. This is an important limitation to know before you start promoting the program. Why do some people earn $2, some earn $5, and others get $20 per referral? What determines this? The payout amount depends on which country your referred user is located in. There is an exception. If your referral is from the United States and you are not from the United States, you'll get $5. You can check the exact payout for each country in your Dub dashboard. If a country isn't specifically listed, you'll typically get $5 per referral from that location. When does pending money get added to your available balance? This is critical to understand. Every valid referral you generate goes into a 30-day holding period. This is standard practice in affiliate marketing to prevent fraud and ensure the referred user remains active. After those 30 days pass, the money moves from pending to processed and then gets batched into the next automatic payment cycle. So from the moment someone signs up using your link, it takes roughly 30 to 35 days before that money hits your bank account. How can people from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or other countries where Stripe isn't available withdraw their money? This is actually less of a problem than you might think. While Stripe itself might not be directly supported in certain countries, Dub uses Stripe Express for payouts, which covers most regions worldwide, including India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. You don't need to create a separate Stripe account. Dub manages everything through their platform. What's the minimum withdrawal amount, and where's the withdraw button? Here's how the payout system works on Dub. There's technically no minimum withdrawal amount, but if you withdraw less than $10, a 50-cent processing fee will be deducted. Once your balance reaches $10 or more, Dub automatically processes the payment to your bank account without any fees. Why are clicks showing up but leads are stuck at 0? And how long does it actually take for leads to appear? This is one of the most frustrating issues people face. Here's what you need to know. A qualified sign-up requires your referral to download Comet, sign in on Comet with the same mail used to verify, and ask one query using the browser. All 3 steps must be completed for it to count as a valid lead. After someone completes all these steps, it can take up to 48 hours for the lead to appear in your dashboard. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it takes the full 2 days. However, if 48 hours have passed and you're still not seeing the lead, there might be a tracking issue. Here's what to do. Contact Perplexity Support and provide them with the email addresses your referrals used to sign up. They'll investigate and manually credit your account if the referral was valid. Now we come to the most important section, and I need you to pay very close attention here. Can you use multiple Gmail accounts on the same device to refer yourself? Can you use VPNs to get higher payouts? The answer is a hard no. Do not do this under any circumstances. Eligibility is verified through account, browser, and device identifiers. Users with a history of account registration or device association are not eligible as new referrals. In other words, Perplexity tracks your device, your IP address, your browser fingerprint, and multiple other signals. You will get caught. And when you do, your entire Dub account will be permanently banned, and you'll lose all your pending earnings. This is a legitimate opportunity. Treat it with respect and play by the rules.